Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 9, which is about the letters of Leen. Now, first question is, how many Leen letters are there? Answer is, there are two letters of Leen. First one is Waaw and second one is Ya. For example, when will we say that this simple Waaw has become Waaw Leen and this simple Ya has become Ya Leen? Okay? The answer is, when there is a Zabar before a Waaw Sakina, then Waaw becomes Waaw Leen. For example, when there is a Zabar before Waaw Sakina, then Waaw becomes Waaw Leen. And when there is Zabar before Ya Sakina, then simple Ya becomes Ya Leen. Okay? And next question is, how are Leen letters pronounced? Okay, how are Leen letters pronounced? Pronounce Leen letters gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pausing. Here we have two things. First one is without stretching and second one is without sudden pausing. Let me give you an example. For example, some people pronounce it like ba, wow, zabar, bau. In this way, they stretch it equal to 1 second, which is wrong. You don't need to stretch Leen letters, okay? You need to stretch only Madda letters equal to 1 second. We have read about Madda letters in I think lesson number 7. So second thing is, you don't need to pronounce Waaw Leen or Ya Leen with sudden jerk, okay? With sudden pause, because some people pronounce it like bau, bai, sudden pause, tau, tai, okay? Because pronounce Leen letters gently, okay, without stretching and without sudden pausing. Okay, now listen to me carefully and repeat after me, because practice makes a man perfect. Ba, wow, zabar, bau. In this way, simply, gently, okay, without stretching and without sudden pausing. Ba, ya, zabar, bai, bau, bai. Ta, wow, zabar, tau. Ta, ya, zabar, tai, tau, tai. Tha, wow, zabar, thau. Tha, ya, zabar, thai, thau, thai. As we have learned in previous lessons, because that tha will not be pronounced with whistle, okay? Pronounce it without whistle. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw. Jim, ya, zabar, jay, jaw, jay. Ha, wow, zabar, haw. Ha, ya, zabar, hay, haw, hay. Ha, wow, zabar, haw. Ha, ya, zabar, hay, haw, hay. Ha is pronounced from top part of throat, okay, and ha is pronounced from middle part of throat. Dal, wow, zabar, daw. Dal, ya, zabar, day, daw, day. Dal, wow, zabar, law. Dal, ya, zabar, lay, law, lay. Dal is pronounced without whistle. Ra, wow, zabar, raw. Ra, ya, zabar, ray, raw, ray. Some people pronounce it like raw in this way, which is wrong, okay? With vibration of tongue, which is wrong. Raw, ray in this way. Za, wow, zabar, zaw. Za, ya, zabar, zay, zaw, zay with whistle. Sin, wow, zabar, saw. Sin, Ya, Zabar Say, Saw, Say. Sin is also from superior letters. Sheen, Wow, Zabar Shaw, Sheen, Ya, Zabar Shay, Shaw, Shay. Swad is from Mustaliya letters. Similarly, Dod, Ta, La, Ghain, and Qaf. All these are from Mustaliya letters. We have learned that Mustaliya letters are Khuswa, Da, Twin, Qiz. This is actually abbreviation. Easy to learn. Okay. Swad, Wow, Zabar Saw, Swad, Ya, Zabar Sway, Saw, Sway. ضاد واو زبر ضو ضاد يا زبر ضي ضو ضي طا واو زبر طو طا يا زبر طي طو طي ظا واو زبر ضو ظا Ya Zabr Rai Raw Rai Ra will be pronounced without whistle. Okay. Ain Wow Zabr Aw Ain Ya Zabr Ay Aw Ay. Ain is pronounced from middle part of throat. Okay. غين واو زبر غو غين يا زبر غي غو غي فا واو زبر فو فا يا زبر في فو في قاف واو زبر قو قاف يا زبر قي قو قي كاف واو زبر كو كاف يا زبر كي كو كي لام واو زبر لو لام يا زبر لي لو لي ميم واو زبر مو ميم يا زبر مي مو مي نون واو زبر نو نون يا زبر ني نو ني. Don't take sound into your nose while pronouncing noon and lam. Okay. Wow زبر wow wow زبر wow wow ya زبر way wow way ha wow زبر how ha ya زبر hay how hay. Ha is pronounced from bottom part of throat. Hamza wow زبر أو همزة يا زبر أو أي يا واو زبر يو يا زبر يو يي. Alhamdulillah, this lesson has been completed, and in next lesson we will learn about combination of harakat, tanween, letters of madda, vertical harakat, and so on, and similarly about huroof-e-Mustaliya. Actually, next lesson is combination of all previous 9 lessons, you can say. And one more thing, subscribe to Learn with Ali Hamza and like, share with others so that they start their Quranic journey too. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.